Good evening, students. Today's topic is the Indian tribe Santals. It is the largest tribal community in India. They are farmers as well as food gatherers. ये लोग farmers भी होते हैं, कृषि काम भी करते हैं और कुछ लोग food gathering भी करते हैं. According to Guha, they belong to Proto-Australoid race. These people live in Santhal Parganas, in Ranchi, Palamau, Hazaribagh. In West Bengal, they live in Birbhum, Bankura, Malda, Midnapur, 24 Parganas. In Odisha, Mayurbhanj district, they work as laborer in tea gardens of Assam and West Bengal. ये लोग जो लेबरर के हिसाब से काम करते हैं असम और वेस्ट बंगाल की टी गार्डन में एंड कॉटन मिल में भी ये लोग काम करते हैं. सांथाल परगनाज आर डिजेक्टेड हिल्स. फिजियोग्राफी क्या है सांथाल परगनाज का? सांथाल परगनाज आर डिजेक्टेड हिल, छोटी छोटी हिल्स है. टेम्परेचर इज वेरी हाई बिटवीन 40 डिग्री टू 50 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड इन समर. Rainfall is also very high, 160 to 180 centimeter. Monsoon type of climate prevails here and natural vegetation which shows forested areas. Trees like mahua, sal, peepal, palash, kushum, etc. This type of trees are found here. Animals are also found in this forest areas. Their physical construction is like Dravidian people. They speak Munda language. उनकी language जो है वो Munda language, which is Austro-Asiatic. What is the economy of Santhal people? The main occupation of Santhals are farming. They cultivate corns, vegetables, etc. Highland are called Goda, G-O-D-A, Goda. Highland areas are called Goda. Vegetables, cotton, pulses, etc. are grown here. The slope of the hills are called Khet. Hills की जो slope है उसको बोलते हैं खेत. Paddy cultivation generally happens there. ज्वार बाजरा ये भी paddy cultivation और ज्वार बाजरा ये भी उगाया जाता है. They do primitive agriculture. They do not practice crop rotation or do not use irrigation or fertilizer. ये लोग जो खेती करते हैं वो primitive type of agriculture. इनमें कोई ना तो crop rotation, एक ही ज़मीन पे अलग अलग crops को उगाया नहीं जाता है, ना इधर यहाँ पे irrigation बस सिंचाई का काम होता है, ना ही तो यहाँ पे fertilizer का कोई use होता है. तो primitive agriculture prevails here. They do food gathering also. Santhals domesticate cows, pigs, chickens, goats, sheep, etc. They work as laborers in mines in Jharkhand, West Bengal and Odisha. In Assam, they work in tea gardens. उनका food habit क्या है? They eat generally boiled rice. It is called daha, D-A-H-A. If anyone asks what is daha, so daha is the boiled rice which is eaten by the Santhals. They drink wine made by fishes. It is called padra. So what is daha and what is padra? You can say that padra is the drink wine. It is a wine made by the fishes and which is the Santhals drink this wine. They wear lace clothes. खूब कम कपड़े पहनते हैं. They wear kopni. They wear white dhoti. People draw tattoos on their bodies. The Santhal villages are small in size. उनकी जो village है small in size and 10 to 35 families live together. Linear type of settlement is found here. Their rectangular huts are called Bangla Orak. Bangla Orak. Their rectangular shape of huts are called Bangla Orak. Some huts are round shaped also and roofs are umbrella type. There is only one door and there is no window. There is one kitchen in the house and the house are painted. The place is decided for the founder of the village, which is called Manjisthan. What is Manjisthan? The place, it is decided for the founder of the village, which is called Manjisthan. And the collective sal trees are called Zahir Than. The collective साल ट्रीज, साल की बहुत सारे साल ट्रीज जहाँ पे है वो जो कलेक्टिव साल ट्रीज हैं उनको कहते हैं जाहिर थान. सांथाल्स बिलीव दैट गॉड्स लिव देयर. सोशल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, उनके सोशल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन क्या है? जॉइंट फैमिली सिस्टम इज प्रैक्टिस्ड अमॉन्ग सांथाल्स. द सीनियर पर्सन इज द हेड ऑफ द फैमिली and agriculture is done by cooperative. Females also help in agriculture. Santhal tribes are divided into 12 kabili. It is a main dominated society. Different type of marriages like Nari Bolok, Bapla or Kirig Bihu, Itur, Seya. This type of different types of marriages happened among them. They worship Shiva and Durga. God is the creator and control everything. They believe in God and they think that God is the creator and control everything. They worship Shiva and Durga. They worship gods Shiva and Durga. Main festival is known as सोहोराई. उनकी फेस्टिवल के नाम है सोहोराई. सांथाल सोसाइटी इज विलेज बेस्ड सोसाइटी. सो इट हैज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट इकोनॉमिक, सोशल एंड पॉलिटिकल यूनिट्स. ग्राम पंचायत्स आर मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट एंड एवरी वन लिसन टू द पंचायत्स डिसीशन. तो पंचायत जो भी डिसीशन लेते हैं उस पंचायत के डिसीशन को ये लोग मान्यता देते हैं और उनकी बातें सुनते हैं. तो ये हैं संथाल की एक ओवरव्यू है. उनकी रहन सहन, उनकी भाषाएं, उनकी सोशल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. तो दिस इज़ अबाउट द संथाल्स. थैंक यू.